In today's video, I'm going to teach you enable a high-performance workforce with Microsft Viva. We'll start by getting you into the right place. Open your Microsoft 365 apps the way you normally do for work. Once you're signed in, look for the app launcher or search bar and locate Viva. Open it to bring all of the Viva experiences into one hub, ideally inside Microsoft Teams, so your people can access everything where they already collaborate. Inside Viva, begin with Viva Connections. Think of Connections as your company's front door in Teams. It delivers a personalized dashboard and feed plus town halls, so employees can see company news, important resources, and quick links without leaving their flow of work. Use the dashboard to surface the essentials, like HR tools, time off requests, or help desk shortcuts, and keep everyone aligned with curated news and announcements. The goal is simple: make it easy for people to find what they need and stay informed. Next, open Viva Engage to connect people through communities and leadership conversations. Engage helps you build a sense of belonging with spaces for interest groups, departments, and cross-functional collaboration. It's great for company-wide events, recognition, and two-way dialogue with leadership. Encourage authentic conversations, spotlight wins, and make it easy for anyone to ask questions and share insights. This is where culture gets visible and voices get heard. Move on to Viva Insights for data-driven, actionable guidance on work patterns. Insights helps individuals protect focus time, reflect, and avoid burnout, and it gives managers and leaders aggregated trends to support healthier team practices. Use it to understand meeting overload, collaboration after hours, and opportunities for uninterrupted work. When you need quick feedback, try Viva Pulse to run short, targeted surveys and turn responses into practical next steps. Privacy is built in, and the emphasis is on well-being and productivity together. Finally, explore Viva Learning. This brings training from sources like LinkedIn Learning, Microsoft Learn, and your own providers right into the daily workflow. Employees can discover, save, and complete courses without switching tools, while managers can recommend learning tied to skills and roles. Use learning paths to guide development and surface just-in-time content so growth becomes part of everyday work, not a separate task. That's the tour. Open your Microsoft 365 apps, launch Viva, and then use Connections for a seamless home base, Engage for community, Insights for healthier performance, and Learning for continuous growth. Start with the area that solves your most pressing need, invite feedback, and build from there. With Microsoft Viva, you'll help every person and team do their best work together.